Everyone who books load usually have one common doubt. Did I make profit on this trip or a loss? But to know your profit, you must first understand your expenses clearly. Even more important than that, you must know your cost per kilometer. How much do you spend per kilometer? How much profit do you make per day? How many trips do you need to do in a month to make your profit? In this video, we will see in detail how to calculate all this clearly. No matter what truck type you have, the calculation is the same. For example, I have taken 32 feet multi-axle container. To find your profit per kilometer, you need to know both rate per kilometer and expense per kilometer. Profit per kilometer will equal to rate per kilometer minus expense per kilometer. Let's take, for example, Chennai to Bangalore round trip. That means up and down both. Chennai to Bangalore, average price is 28,800. While Bangalore to Chennai, average price is 17,200. So the total for the round trip is 46,000. The total distance up and down is 652 kilometers. So rate per kilometer will equal to 46,000 divided by 652, which is 70.5 rupees per kilometer. These days, many say they don't get return loads. But with FR8, you can get guaranteed return loads. So I use that round trip cost as example for this calculation. Some expenses are fixed like insurance, EMI, etc. Others like diesel, driver salary, permit, toll and food are variable. And yes, sometimes there are unpredictable expenses like small bribes. For now, let's calculate with the only confirmed cost. Now, diesel price average is 93 rupees per liter. Mileage is 5 km per liter. So, diesel cost will equal to 652 into 93 divided by 5. That is 12,127. Average toll cost will come around 1,200. Driver salary usually around 15% of the trip cost. So for the round trip, that will cost around 6,900. Add miscellaneous costs like police, driver's food, etc. 1,500. So expense per kilometer will equal to 21,727 divided by 652, which will equal to 33 rupees per kilometer. Now how to calculate your profit? Profit per kilometer will equal to 70.5 rupees minus 33 rupees, which will be around 37.5 rupees. But can you enjoy this entire profit? Not really, because every month you have fixed EMI and maintenance cost. Let's say your truck costs 39 lakhs and you paid 5 lakh as down payment. You took 5 years loan as 10% interest and your EMI is around 72,240. Round trip, you earn a profit of 24,273. So you need to complete at least 3 trips per month to cover your EMI. If you complete 5 trips per month, your total profit is 1,21,000. From that, subtract EMI 72,240 and average monthly cost, road tax, permit, insurance, maintenance around 5,000. Your total monthly income is 43,300. You might not always get loads from Bangalore. Sometimes it may be nearby places or longer routes. But whatever it is, make sure you earn daily profit. Thank you for watching.